Latest levels. Latest levels is the most important step through Connect Sensor. If the search button is used, your entire tank population will pop up. If you need to search just for one tank, this can be done via the More Options button. This report can be changed to suit your individual needs. If you click on the grey icon, the latest report levels can be moved by clicking on each allocation reference, your serial number, anything that you require, and you click the arrow. Do not forget, once the changes have been made, to save the changes. This report with all the levels, the last good call, can be transferred over to an Excel format, so this can be emailed to your individual customer, as seen.